Yes, I'm sure we'll soar with this one. I ask only to be a true and faithful servant of my Lord and people. Hang on. Enter! There's something I need to deal with. Can I call you back? Okay, goodbye. Now,
Minister, thank you for seeing me at such short notice. Now, there's been a rumour of circulating about the avian flu situation. I wonder if we could look at it before the press got onto it.
You've not been with us that long, have you?
That's right.
Oh, it's a grim old business. I wish I had a few more in the Circus portfolio myself. The Lord Mayor stands to make a bomb on this one.
But it's here already, on the mainland. Do you understand, don't you, sir? If it's already here, then we need to do something about it.
Water. It's in the water. It's being put into the water. Not in here, out there. We are, as you might say, testing the floats with this bird flu thing. We've had carcasses flown in from Asia by the RAF and dumped into the water supply tanks in the area so that everyone gets a good dose of the H5N1.
Why?
To build up a resistance, of course, to be prepared. It's like giving jabs to babies. Give everyone a dose and let nature take its course. Have you not noticed that coughs and colds are on the up around here at the moment? That's bird flu. Wait to see how it goes here in Manchester, and if it pans out, we'll have a cure for every town. Oh, and there has been a rise in the mortality rate, conveniently attributed to the common cold. Nothing compared to the chaos that a full-blown outbreak of the H1H5 would bring.
So I've been taking in the virus by drinking the water at home, along with my wife and children.
Yes. And you're all perfectly fine. You might even have the Minister for Health contacting you to grow some of your antibodies.
Can't be ethical.
Venom is venom's cure. The laws of nature are stronger than our own.
I'm not feeling too good, sir. I think I'd better go.
Yes, he went for it, didn't he? I'm watching the 6 o'clock news now. I'll be another 25,000. Tomorrow? The last one? Yes. Excellent. You can count me in.
Good evening. I'm sorry?
Hello, viewers. Thank you for tuning in.
Is that some kind of sick joke, Minister? There have been numerous reports that the local water supply has been purposefully contaminated with the carcasses of birds infected with the deadly H5N1 virus. This action was taken by the government and carried out by the military. Can you comment on that?
Brightens up the day, doesn't it? Now, I saw your little programme last night, and I'm glad you've decided to tell the full truth about the current situation. We cannot swerve a pandemic. We must meet it head on.
But this is devastating information. You're not worried that the people might lose faith in the government?
We know that a pandemic virus of this nature can affect up to 50% of the population, but not more than 3% will die. That is a given. I don't think we need to lose any sleep over our majority just yet. We are working for the good of the nation and God.
But without the subtext of you falling on your sword, you're not concerned in any way with the ethics of dosing the entire local population with a potentially lethal virus?
Look at the bigger picture. There's nothing lost because the only possible casualties of our direct action are the unfortunate people who would have died anyway. Tomorrow it all gets a little more interesting. The military will drive their wagons to strategic points all over the city. And those wagons contain thousands of infected live birds. Chickens, pigeons, ravens, turkeys, sparrows, finches. We will meet this head on. You have my word, absolutely.
But what happens to the birds?
A bird doesn't sing because it has an answer. A bird sings because it has a song. Maya Angelou.
Minister?
Some newspapers are fit only to line the bottom of cages. Bird cages. Do you know who said that?
Okay, that's it. This guy's finished.
Nevermore. You saw it? Good, good. Numbers? Yeah. I remember you said you wouldn't bring the pension to this. Good, good. I'll make it a further 250,000. Excellent, excellent. Well, the only way is up. Oh, it's an absolute pleasure doing business with you. I'll disappear. Just give me a call if you need me.